दूरं वाचां त्रिदशसदसां दुःखसिन्धोस्तरित्रं मोहक्ष्वेलक्षितिरुहवने क्रूरधारासि पत्रम् कम्पातीरप्रणयि कविभिर्वर्णितोद्यच्चरित्रं शान्त्यै सेवे सकलविपदां शाङ्करं तत्कलत्रम् दूरं वाचां. Duram vacham, because of sandhi, anuswara changes to the nasal of va. Tridasha sadasam is a compound word. Vacham tridasha sadasam, because of sandhi, anuswara changes to nude. Dukkha sindhoho is a compound word. Kha and dhar mahapranaha. Tridasha sadasam dukkha sindhoho, because of sandhi, anuswara changes to nude. Visarga changes to su. Taritram. Dukkha sindhos taritram, because of sandhi. Mohakshvelakshitiruhavane is a compound word. Kruradharasi patram is a compound word. Dhamaha pranaha. Duram vachan tridasha sadasan dukkha sindhos taritram mohakshvelakshitiruhavane kruradharasi patram. Kampatira pranayi is a compound word. Kavibhihi bhamaha pranaha. Visarga changes to repha. Varnitodyaccharitram is a compound word. Kavibhir varnitodyaccharitram, because of sandhi. Shantyai seve sakala vipadam is a compound word. Shankaram tat. Shankaran tat, because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to another. Kalatram. Kampatira pranayi kavibhir varnitodyaccharitram shantyai seve sakala vipadam shankaran tatkalatram. Duram vachan tridasha sadasan dukkha sindhostaritram mohakshvelakshitiruhavane kruradharasi patram kampatira प्रणयि कविभिर्वर्णितोद्यच्चरित्रं शान्त्यै सेवे सकलविपदां शाङ्करं तत्कलत्रम् खण्डीकृत्य प्रकृतिकुटिलं कल्मषं प्रातिभश्रीशुण्डीरत्वन्निजपदजुषां शून्यतन्द्रं दिशन्ति तुण्डीराख्ये महति विषये स्वर्णवृष्टिप्रदात्री चण्डीदेवी कलयति रतिं चन्द्रचूडालचूडे. Khandikritya is a compound word. The first khas mahapranaha. Prakritikutilam is a compound word. Kalmasham. Prakritikutilang kalmasham, because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nga there. Pratibha shri shundiratvam is a compound word. Bhamaha pranaha. Nijapada jusham is a compound word. Pratibhashri shundiratvan nijapada jusham, because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nu there. Shunyatandram is a compound word. Dishanti. Shunyatandran dishanti, because of sandhi. Khandikritya prakritikutilang kalmasham pratibhashri shundiratvan nijapada jusham shunyatandran dishanti. Tundirakhye is a compound word. Khamaha pranaha. Mahati vishaye swarnavristi pradatri is a compound word. Chandi devi kalayati ratim chandrachudala chude is a compound word. Ratin chandrachudala chude, because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nya there. Tundirakhye mahati vishaye swarnavristi pradatri Chandi Devi Kalayati Ratin Chandrachudala Chude. Khandikritya Prakriti Kutilang Kalmasham Pratibhashri Shundiratvan Nijapada Jusham Shunyatandran Dishanti Tundirakhye Mahati Vishaye Swarnavrishti Pradatri Chandi Devi Kalayati Ratin Chandrachudala Chude.